and welcome to the Castaway. So now we're each gonna introduce our oils. So this is Citrus Fresh, and it smells very good, and it helps uplifts your
air.
And here's your smell.
Yeah.
It smells. It has like a bunch.
Yeah, it's like orange.
It has a bunch of citrus oils mixed in. It's like a blend. Okay. Now you.
Lavender calms you down and smells good.
Oh yeah. You smell.
I need to smell it. Maybe we're gonna add.
Fresh. Okay.
Okay. Peppermint repels bugs, and yeah, it feels good.
And it's refreshing.
And it's refreshing.
We're making all natural carpet freshener, so we're going to show you how it's done. First, we have a cup of baking soda.
Wow. You just dumped it everywhere.
Ooh, you should definitely use it. Oh, it's actually working kind of well.
Oh
Looks like snow. Okay, and then, let's see the recipe. 5 drops of lavender. 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, I accidentally did 6.
It's okay.
And 5 drops of peppermint.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Alright, and
Finally.
Citrus Fresh.
Okay, please don't take too long. Okay, wait, let me see.
do we have any more that would go faster?
Oh wait, I got 1.
I didn't eat breakfast yet.
2.
That's random.
Why did I say breakfast?
I didn't eat breakfast yet. I just remembered that.
3, 4. 5.
Yeah! And I mix it together.
Here, pop.
You just put a cap on and shake it.
And we shake
Okay,
it up.
I want
Wait,
to
first.
No. David can shake it. I'll mix it.
Okay, mix a little bit and then put the cap on.
Wait, how are you supposed to use it?
You put it on your carpet and then you leave it for like 30 minutes. If you have a dog, don't let them go near it, or else they may try to eat it. And then you vacuum it, and then it smells good and it's clean.
You have lots of baking soda. I only have a tiny one of that.
There, now.
Okay, let me see the recipe then.
How
Can
do
you
you
move
put
your
the
finger?
cap on?
Put the cap on.
Alright, next we put the cap on and shake it up.
Also, Dave, make sure you cover the finger with the bowl. Okay,
Yeah, so you have to cover that. And then shake it.
don't let it hit.
And don't let it fall.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my god.
Shake it, shake it, shake it.
You just bang on his face.
No.
Excellent, guys. Thank you.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
And welcome to the Castaway.
No, wait, you do.
Hi.
Hi.
And welcome to the Castaway.
Wow.
Why did you say anything?